Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Priyasha Das from CrackZat, and if you are preparing for the CAT or ZAT examination, then this one is for you. The question which has been asked to me around a million times is this on your screen right now. ये एक ऐसी common query है जो मुझे भी as an aspirant कहीं ना कहीं सताती थी, and I'm pretty sure that if you're watching this video, then this is also a concern which you are concerned about. Oh my God. So done with the basics, but when it comes to CAT or ZAT level questions, I'm not able to solve them. ऐसे situation में क्या करें, कैसे करें और उस barrier को कैसे तोड़े is the most major concern here. So if you have nailed down your basics already, especially in the quant section, and it's really difficult for you to get through those CAT and ZAT level questions, then this video is for you. And let's get the things started. Okay, now let us understand कि क्या करना चाहिए ताकि हम इस बैरियर को तोड़ पाए. Do not worry, I totally get it that it's a situation which happens with all, and it's like you have got the foundation, but now it's time to build that skyscraper. So let me break it down for you in a way that's making most of the sense here, and most importantly, make you feel like you're absolutely there and you can really conquer this. First of all, remember this: getting stuck is the part of the process. कुछ लोग ये बिल्कुल रियलाइज नहीं करते एंड उन्हें ऐसा लगता है that it is only happening with them and everyone around is in the best of the condition, which is not true. If you are breezing through everything, you're probably not challenging yourself enough. So if those moderate level questions are tripping you over, then actually it's a good sign, because it means that you're pushing your limits. So here are 5 quick things which I would like to share with you all, so that आप इस barrier को तोड़कर आगे बढ़ पाओ and you're able to solve the CAT-ZAT level questions also. So the breakdown is right here on your screen. Number 1 is analyze your mistakes. Now, don't just move on after getting through a question. If you get something wrong or even if you get something right, sit with it. When I say analyze the mock or the sectional you have given, you have to give it equal amount of time as much as you gave to solve it. Only then you would be able to understand कि अगर कोई question सही हुआ है तो कौन से formula के application या कौन से process को use करके हुआ है, and अगर कोई गलत हुआ है then try to figure out why you got stuck in it. Was it a silly mistake? Did you misinterpret the question? Or was it just a concept which you thought you knew but you weren't 100% on it? This is a very crucial step because it's like holding a mirror to yourself during your preparation. You need to see where the gaps are before you can fill them. तो गैप रियलाइज करना ही सबसे बड़ी जीत है. ओके, सो दैट्स व्हाई एनालाइजिंग योर मिस्टेक इज रियली इंपॉर्टेंट. द सेकंड स्टेप इज ब्रेकिंग डाउन द सॉल्यूशंस. जैसे कि मैंने कहा that even if you get a question right, you need to know where and why you got it right so that you can keep repeating the same thing and get more marks, है ना. जनरली जब भी कुछ wrong हो जाता है, वो जो भी मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आता, मैं उसी पर एनालाइज करती हूँ, rather than ये देखना कि मैंने जिसको छोड़ा वो क्यों छोड़ा, और वो देखना तो बहुत ही कम लोग करते हैं कि कुछ सही है तो क्यों सही है. So once you have understood where you went wrong, you would go through the entire solution step by step. But here's the trick: you just don't read it. Resolve the problem. And when I say resolve, I want you people to hold your pen and your paper and just do the calculation all by yourself. आपने solution देखा, आपने logic समझ लिया, अब खुद से solve करो. This is the game changer, guys. This will help you to internalize the thought process, and you're training your brain to think like a CAT-ZAT topper. Sounds fancy, right? But trust me, this is where the magic happens. The third one is practice, practice, practice. And I know you have heard this a million times, but it's a true thing, guys. The only way to get better at these type of questions is to practice them consistently. And this is very important to note, that don't just practice randomly. Focus on quality over quantity. ये तो बहुत जरूरी है. Please remember this. कितने क्वेश्चन सॉल्व किए ये इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है, कितने डिफरेंट वेरियस बैकग्राउंड्स के क्वेश्चन सॉल्व किए ये इंपॉर्टेंट है. हर क्वेश्चन में एक ही फॉर्मूला घिसना है तो ये सही नहीं है, बट अलग अलग एप्लीकेशंस के क्वेश्चंस यूज किए या सॉल्व किए देन वो बेहतर है. सो कीप दैट इन योर माइंड. पिक दोस क्वेश्चंस दैट चैलेंज यू एंड फोर्स you to think. The fourth point is stimulate the test conditions. And of course, this is like training your brain for the exam, ताकि मैं चाहती हूँ कि मेरे सारे स्टूडेंट्स एग्जामिनेशन के दिन इतने चिल हो, उन्हें ऐसा लगे कि यार ये तो मैं पिछले 60 दिन से करते ही आ रहा हूँ. सो इट्स नॉट अ वेरी बिग डील फॉर मी बिकॉज यू विल ट्रेन योर ब्रेन to in that exam like condition, and you would feel that it is just another mock you're giving, and that's what I want you to do. So therefore try solving these questions under timed conditions. This will train your brain to think quickly and accurately, and remember, it's not just about solving the questions, it's also solving them when the pressure is on. So wo pressure build up ke liye you have to train your brain. Okay, remember that. And last but not the least, keep the faith. Finally, this might sound a bit cheesy, but you have to believe in yourself. The journey to mastering the quant section or any other section for CATSAT is not a straight line, guys. It's full of ups and downs. But if you stick with it, you will keep pushing through it. Even in the strong and tough moments, you are going to come out on the top. And I can guarantee you of that. So remember that this is all about your progress and not about your perfection. Perfection नहीं, progress पर ध्यान दो. ये भी एक ऐसी बात है जो बहुत लोग ध्यान नहीं देते. Progress पर ध्यान दो. Okay, please keep yourself dedicated towards progress, not perfection. This is something which you all need to keep in mind. Every single time you solve a problem you couldn't solve before, you were leveling up. So don't get disheartened by the tough ones. They are just stepping stones on your way to the top. All right, then that's all for today. If you found this video useful, you know the drill, guys. You have to hit that like button, share it with more and more friends like you. And of course, if you really want to support the channel, then make sure that you tell more people about this, because word of mouth se hi CrackZat ki channel बढ़ रही है. And I literally want to keep this as the only source of promotion. So make sure that you tell more people about it. And as always, keep hustling and keep believing in yourself. I'm always there for you. And you can reach me out on Instagram, Telegram, okay, or Unstop. I'm always there. Thank you so much. Take care of yourself. Comment below and let me know that how is it working. And see you in the next one. Till then, bye bye and happy studying.